In this video, we'll demonstrate how to play games and watch YouTube simultaneously on your PlayStation 5. But before we dive in, I'd like to invite you to hit that like button if you're excited to learn how to multitask with games and YouTube on your PS5, and share your thoughts in the comments below. Your feedback helps us create better content for you. Let's get right into it. Start by pressing the PlayStation button to open the quick menu. Navigate to Game Base and select a party or friend to send a message to. Send a message containing the YouTube link, like youtube.com, to create a web browser. Select the message to open the link. Once YouTube is open, press the Options button, then choose Pin to Side to have it on screen while you play. Return to your game and continue playing while YouTube remains pinned to the side. For better navigation, press the PlayStation button twice quickly to bring up YouTube. Then use the Options button to resize the window, search for content, and play videos. You can adjust the pinned YouTube window to the left or right side of your screen, ensuring both the game and YouTube are visible. This feature is excellent for following tutorials or watching longer content while gaming. The pinned window stays even when navigating to the home screen. To remove the pinned window, open the quick menu, go to the card, and select Exit Pin to Side, then close the YouTube window. If you found this guide helpful, please take a moment to like, comment, and subscribe for more useful tutorials like this one. Your support inspires us to create more informative content. For additional tips and tutorials, visit mediamagnet.business.